Hello everyone, it's me Ankita Raj from Standard 6 from Woodward School. Here before you to present an art and craft how to make a flower with using wool. So friends, let's start it. For making flower, we have to use thread, rubber band, two pen, scissor and wool. I have taken different types of color, green and red. If you want to take any color, you can take. Friends, you have to do like this. Now we have to take wool. Friends, I have taken wool and we have to do like this that I am doing. So friends, I have taken a needle. You have to do like this. As you can see here, I have done like this. And now you have to wait for a while. Yeah. Okay. You have to loose from here. You can see. You have to loose from here. Then you have to take a needle. And do like I am doing. See. And you have to take a thin. You have to take a thin needle. It will be better. Yeah, like this. Friends, I have done 4 layers. I am doing one more layer like this. Like this. Friends, I have done 5 layers. So friends, you have to do like this that I am doing. Friends, you have to do like this. So friends, I have done like this, as you can see. Friends, you have to make 4 more like this, and one I have to do in a red color. If you want to take any color, you can make, and you have to make one. You have to make 4 like this, and one in different color. Okay. Friends, I have made 4, as you can see here, and now I am going to make with this red color. Friends, as you can see here, yeah. So now I have taken thread and we will roll it. Friends, I have rolled with thread and see, it has become flower. Thank you and have a lovely day.